Sup Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Shiba Inu price pump. Absolutely my friends, you will be feeling very happy after watching this video because this is the good news of the Shiba coin. So keep watching this video, and first of all my friends, before starting this video, please my friends, click the subscribe button and also like this video my friends. My friends, if we look the currently latest price of the Shiba coin, so the currently latest price of the Shiba is 0.00007 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Shiba coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Shiba coin, so now the currently last 1 day price change is positive, and the last 1 hour, last 1 week price change of the Shiba coin is negative. Yesterday my friends, the price of the Shiba coin is pumped, but unfortunately now at this time the latest last 1 hour price update tells us that now in the last 60 minutes the price again falls down. So hope this falls is for temporary, for some time, but my friends, you know what is my personal prediction about Shiba coin? My personal prediction about Shiba coin is that the price of Shiba coin will pump in the last of June. Maybe my friends, maybe the price of Shiba coin pump in the last of June. That's my personal prediction about Shiba coin. And now the latest last 1 day price change is positive, so my friends, I think that a lot of chances to the price pump my friends. No, at this time they have no idea to the price first time, but unfortunately the price of the Shiba coin falls down for some time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Snake channel for more news and updates videos.